Hello, today we are working on lesson 74, a fraction of a set. So we're going to start with a review. Here we have a quadrilateral, also known as a rectangle, and it is broken up into 6 different squares. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shade one of those squares. Now if this was written like a fraction, what fraction of this rectangle would be shaded? Correct, it is 1/6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total boxes and only one filled box. Now I'm going to use the same shape with the same number of boxes shaded, and I'm going to ask you, what fraction of this rectangle is not shaded? What fraction of this rectangle is not shaded? It is 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 6 total squares are shaded. All right, now let's get to what's coming up next. So now we will see things called sets. Now this is a set here. It is formed by other polygons, in this case triangles. What we need to figure out is, first of all, how many total shapes are in this set? In this case, how many total triangles are in this set? So I'll start from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 total triangles in this set. If I want to know how many triangles are shaded or what fraction of this set is shaded, I would count all of the shaded triangles. In this case, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/9 of this set is shaded. But what if I wanted to find out how many in this set is not shaded? There are still the same number of total triangles, so that is still my denominator. But now I'm going to count the non-shaded triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our fraction is 5/9. Here we have a similar now we have a similar set made of a different shape, which is a circle. So I want to figure out what is the fraction of the set that is shaded here. So I'm going to start by counting my total number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 total circles in this set. I'm going to write that as my denominator. How many of those circles are shaded? 2 of the 7 circles in this set is shaded. So 2/7 of the set is shaded. Now what if I wanted to know how many of these circles were not shaded? My denominator is still the total number of circles in the set. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles not shaded in this set. So we have 5/7 not shaded. Now we're going to end with 2 examples. Some of these will show you pictures and some of these will be written out, but the same rules apply. So here is example 1. In a class, or in this case a set, of 25 students, there are 12 girls and 13 boys. What fraction of the class is girls? So my denominator needs to be the total number of students, which in this case is 25. And my numerator needs to be what fraction of those 25 students are girls. In this case, that is 12. This is our fraction. What fraction of the class is girls? 12/25. Check. All right, now a little bit different. In the word Alabama, what fraction of the letters are A's? So we need to start by figuring out what is our denominator, what is the total number of letters in the word Alabama. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 7 total letters in the word Alabama. Now, of those 7 total letters, which of them are A's? I'm going to go through and circle my A's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of my 7 letters are A's. So 4/7 of the word Alabama are A's. 4/7 is the fraction. Okay, time to try it yourself.